Joe. Yeah, just get up in the dumpster. Get a really good video. Maybe it'll go viral. Okay, this is also the load that has probably a rat family in the bottom of one of the garbage cans. All right, Joe, so
That didn't take too long.
how long did it take, literally? We barely put a dent.
I know.
In one section. We got...
Hey guys, welcome back and happy 4th of July. So this has been on our hit list since we moved here a year ago, and we've got a couple days into it now, but by the end of today's episode, you're going to see some adventure together, some fun together, but you're going to see this barn empty. Totally empty. Crazy that we accomplished this, but the force multipliers, the equipment really helped. So let's get into today's episode.
So we're supposed to be cleaning and focusing on on that bay there. And Joe, what are you doing over there?
I'm not gonna hurt you.
What are you doing, Joe? Oh, God. That's that one I saw last year. And why I swore I wouldn't come in here. Oh, my gosh. Joe. Ew.
I'm gonna let him go where the
Yeah, I know.
rat ran.
But is he a poisonous thing?
No, it's just a black snake. They all died.
You sure? All right. Hey, buddy, there's dinner over there. Go get it.
Oh yeah, he slithered right in.
I'm sure you can smell a fresh rat. All right, I'm sending Joe in. What's...
Yeah, most of the hiding spots gone. There's one last one, and then I got a rat's nest there I gotta poke in. Oh yeah, figures our bar ain't good enough. Oh shit.
Maybe you just lift up the plywood or the OSB. Oh, it's attached.
Whoa!
Shit, what?
There's some big white thing in there. God, you look like a white rat.
Albino rat?
I don't know what it is, but it's white and it's ugly. Look at it.
It's a salt lick.
Okay, well, when it's cut underneath
That's okay.
something like this.
Well, hey, they wanted to make sure the rats had their proper nutrition, you know? It's important. Look at all them roaches in the back.
Remember that Frankenstein movie, Abby Normal?
Yeah.
It's kind of Abby Normal right here, activity. Trying to find a rat. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, last load. Then I'll crush it with the mini. I got a lot of crushing to do. Woo! Full load.
Oh, all right. So we're getting a little rehydrated, and Joe needed a break. I didn't, but anyway. So we're taking a break.
I'll admit that.
But Okay, there's the dumpster. Do you think they're gonna notice that we might have went over the top a tiny bit? You don't think they'll notice, do you, Joe?
By the time I get done with it, the sides will be bulging out, but there'll be nothing on top.
Good. All right, so a little contest here. And, just tell us what you think. Okay, who's got the sexier legs with the work boots?
Wait a minute. Notice the contrast. My work boots are very worn and pitted and scuffed, and yours look like they just came off a store shelf.
Well, I'm a little kinder to them, maybe? What do you think? So, mine or Joe's?
I didn't shave today.
Yeah, I didn't either, so that ain't no excuse. That bucket there is full of sand. We couldn't lift it. Oh, finally. Whew. Some shit we can use, literally.
Got a clean burn pile right there.
Come on, Joe, make it look like we never had it over the top.
Got a little more room down on this end.
Oh, I know some stuff of yours that can go in there.
No, actually there's quite a bit more room right now.
All right.
Alright, totally full in the dumpster. Some of these shingles didn't go quite all the way in. So now it's time to do the old compaction. Got one more pallet right here. Oh, easy. Man, I hate when it does that.
Whoa. All right. Well, 3/4 of a dumpster later, a big dumpster, a couple gallons of sweat, a really big long black snake, a giant rat, cockroaches, spiders, crickets, ants, termites. Yeah, and that was just in those 2 bays. Anyway, man, those are cleaned out. Good to see that. We still have the dumpster for a couple of days. We were just gonna keep working, but it's super hot out and we're both done sucking up all this mold and dust and barn stuff. So anyway, we got this side over here to clean up yet. This one's ready to go. That one's ready to go. And then we're gonna, I don't want all this firewood in here.
Okay, thanks for still being with us. If you like this stuff, definitely stay tuned for the next episode, because we are going to make the equipment pay overtime, pay us back, try something we've never tried before, but I think it might work, or I might put holes in the wall. But anyways, stay tuned for the next update, because I think it's going to be pretty cool, I think.
This way, I'm done filming. If I want some firewood, I'll get it from out in the woods, or we may, I don't know, I guess we could keep that. It's super dry, but I want to store it outside, not inside this shed here, because we don't need any more reasons for rats and snakes to build in here. So that's where we are right now. Wow, it looks bigger. Should be a little extra room to put some of the stuff that's sitting out in our outside here. Yeah, and that's we're by Fort Leonard Wood. I don't know if you can hear the helicopter. You go right over us. Anyway, we're going in to cool for a little while, and that's it for today.